what exactly happened inside?
এটা অর্গানাইজড ক্রাইম 2026 নির্বাচনের টাকা জোগাড় করার জন্য
What exactly happened inside? Who is responsible for that?
The organizer is completely responsible, along with the Kolkata police is completely responsible. We couldn't see any Messi or the other players. The police and the media had covered him. We couldn't see anything, and hence this anger is coming out.
What exactly happened inside?
পশ্চিমবঙ্গের ইতিহাসে আজকে একটা কালো দিন হলো। টোটাল পলিটিক্স করে করে আমাদের পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মানুষকে শেষ করে দিচ্ছে এরা।
क्या देखे थे आप जब अंदर गए थे? क्या देखे थे?
আমরা 12,000 13,000 15,000 দিয়ে টিকিট কাটা হয়েছে। 15 দিন আগে থেকে এত আমাদেরকে মেসি আসবে করে
Person is carrying the ticket. क्या हुआ था? Calm down. क्या हुआ
It
था?
was a shit show. No one has seen Messi properly. We have seen Messi only in the giant screen. There were around 200 people who were around Messi. No one can see him. Be it 5,000 rupees ticket, be it 11,000 rupees ticket, no one can see Messi. It was a shit show. It was a
Before I come to this people, let me tell you what exactly happened. What exactly unfolded inside the stadium? Inside the stadium. Messi came inside the iconic Yuva Stadium for 20 minutes, but surrounded by ministers, dignitaries, including Sports Minister Arup Biswas. In spite of the fact there were several requests by the organizers, even Shatrughna Dutta, against whom several questions have been labeled because he is the main organizer. Let me also go across to some other spectators having they are the fans of Messi. They are disappointed. What exactly happened? कौन जिम्मेदार है जो हुआ है?
শতাদ্রু দত্ত আমাদের কি বলেছিল, কি শতাদ্রু দত্ত নিজের মুখের কথা কি ছিল? আমরা ইভেন্ট অর্গানাইজার আমাদের শতাদ্রু দত্ত, ও কি বলেছিল যে মেসি পুরো মাঠটা ঘুরবে, একটা রাউন্ড মেসি রাউন্ডটা মারবে, পেনাল্টি শুট আউট মেসি করবে না, যারা যেই টিম আমাদের ওটা দেখার দরকার নেই, মেসি পুরোটা। আর কে কারা কারা মাঠে থাকবে? 3 জন যারা এসেছিল তারা মাঠে থাকার কথা। আর কি বলেছিল বাচ্চাদের সাথে
आप किन किन को देखे हैं?
সবাই যারা সবাই
अंदर पूरा मीडिया घेरा हुआ था। अरूप विश्वास था, मेसी को पकड़ के रखे थे। हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख पाया। एक परसेंट मेसी को नहीं।
खुद कंफ्यूज है। वो बोल रहा है प्लीज जाइए प्लीज। अरे क्या प्लीज भाई, तू ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है ना, तू क्यों प्लीज बोल रहा है? तू हटा। पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर पाया।
It was because of the absolute lack of management.
Absolute lack of management.
এটাকে বলা হয়
From outside of Kolkata, sir?
We have spent 12,000 rupees. We have came in near A1 block only.
So you're coming from which city?
Hyderabad.
So this evening,
I spent 30,000.
I know that this evening Messi will be arriving at your city, but you came all along from Hyderabad to get the glimpses because he is arriving in Kolkata.
Yes, that is the reason.
So what exactly? How was the situation inside?
See, actually, we all paid money for tickets for money, but
Fine.
the politicians and the local, the event manager people only they have seen. They didn't see an actual.
was so bad. We can't see Messi just
They are
once.
taking signatures and
There was
Actually,
full crowd
So let me tell you what exactly unfolded inside. Messi came in around 11:30ish, and amidst the situation, there were preparations and the other program were being carried out. Then all of a sudden, a huge crowd and the dignitaries, including Bengal Minister Arup Biswas and the main organizer Shatrughna, he was also present at that point in time. All started taking glimpses and taking snips, selfies or autographs by this football superstar, and that led this chaos. In spite of the fact police tried to initiate to take those people out of from the stadium or the ground, but they failed, and that led to chaos due to security reason. We were given to understand that Messi were taken out of the stadium, and then that led a huge chaos inside the stadium. You just heard that many of the spectators came all along outside of the Kolkata, because Kolkata is very significant as per Kolkata football is concerned, and for the second time Messi is touring this city of joy, and which is why many came from Hyderabad also, but they are surely disappointed. That incident raising several concerns. Let me also tell you that before Shah Rukh Khan and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee could arrive at the stadium, this entire event had to called off due to the security reason, and now police is trying to disperse the crowd, and many are coming out of the stadium with disappointment. Back to you.